5:40 p.m., 63 degrees, very windy today. And chemtrails, funny clouds. We had a high wind warning yesterday and today. Should have had clear skies Friday, Saturday. Got sprayed real heavy. Today we had the puffy cotton clouds. Then I started seeing spraying. Sky turned to hell. See all these. Well, the wind is really moving these trails around funny. But anyway, this is weather warfare, weather modification, geoengineering, stratosphere aerosol injection, ASI, or SRM, solar radiation management. Some say troposphere, dumping in the troposphere. Look at this shit. The fallout from the trails, the wind, dripping and falling out. The caterpillars, the X's, the squigglies, they're feathering out. Look at this shit. On your Howe Turnpike, Interstate 80, a little south of Cleveland, a little south of Lake Erie, Cuyahoga County, Strongsville, Ohio. My lake here, or pond, thawed today. It was ice for a couple of months. We had 70 yesterday and 69 today. Thursday was 20 degrees. But around the country there are flood warnings, tornado watches, and winter storm warnings and blizzard warnings in the USA today. Yesterday there was a bad tornado in Iowa. And yesterday in Florida was 90 degrees. This is Sunday, March, oh, what the hell is it? March 6th, 2022. A lot of people out today and yesterday with the warmer weather, which is good to see, but most of them are clueless about what they're dumping in the sky, of course. Oh, shit. What a mess. Sun's getting lower. Days getting longer, but next weekend we change the clocks.